So guys, you're having a hard time getting this body line to move, right? So if we step back and we look in our light, what are some of the indications that you see right off the bat, other than the low, because everybody concentrates on the low. Look past the low. What do you see around it?
It's all high on top.
It's all high, right? So, just kind of think of like a sheet or something, right? So if I pull one corner up, what's happening down here? It's tight, right? If I pull it, this gets tight. So it don't matter how much I pull here, if I have a high spot or the sheet's tight up here, it's not going to move. So what do we got to do? We got to send all them highs back down, lay it down. That's going to feed metal to that body line and allow it to move. So it's give and take. You have to feed it in order to pull it. Lay some of this down. And I can be pretty aggressive with this tip. All I'm doing is just trying to lay it down the best I can. Try to feed it some metal. So basically all you want to do, so if you have anything that's sharp, like a sharp V, my main goal is to knock down the crowns. I want to turn that sharp V into a soft U. And that takes striking. That's what's so important about the premium. You got to have all the striking tools. You got to take that sharp V and turn it into a soft U where you can grab a tab, then place it in the middle, and you'll watch it right before your eyes lift up. So all I'm gonna do is come in on this side. See how easy that drops? If you're really in there looking, you can see it just drops so quick.
Yeah, I wish I had one from before like that, but
there we go. I cleaned it up a lot, dude. Now we can come in and start pulling some more of these lows. So what we did is we created metal flow by pushing those highs back into the lows. Oh, that's a high spot. That sucker moved. Here. Okay. This one here. Oh yeah, dude, that felt great. All right, Kaiser. So, as our newest trainer, what did you learn that was extremely valuable about dent repair? Because you were pulling, but you just couldn't get them lows to move.
Yeah.
Why not?
The knocking down is the most important part.
So all we did is we came in with what? The soft tip, the peak tip, and our blending hammer, and we just laid everything down nice and smooth. So next time, before you start just attacking the lows, what are you gonna do?
Knock down the highs.
Well, you're gonna assess it too, right? You're gonna get that light in the right position. You're gonna step back from it, and you're gonna look around and make sure you got all of your highs laid down before pulling the lows. So guys, knockdown is extremely important. Striking, that's what we call it. So we got lateral tension, we got lighting, we got striking, we got pulling. All those things are very, very important when it comes to our premium L2E.